us again, and today we're planting a little hedgerow, keeping with the forest. So we're going hazel, hawthorne and holly. Each plant is planted every 450 on a staggered effect, as you can see here. Kind of going for a random pattern, but also patches of holly, so we'll probably get most of it in. We get the majority of it in, and then see what the customer wants, see if they want to make any changes. But yeah, it's been a wet week here. Well, so where have we been? We're jumping between jobs, but we've had a really wet week down south. Been horrendous. Today's a nice dry day, make hay while the sun shines and all that. But yeah, looks like spring's on its way. How's your week been? What jobs are you on at the moment? We've had a few jobs cancelled recently. Is everyone else's workload coming in, or is it a little bit slow start to the year? But yeah, let us know in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll show you some more clips of the planting. Peace.